In the shadow of the morning light, we rise to beat the struggle bright. With hearts of fire and minds so free, chanting out for unity. Peace, love, justice for us all. Hear the echo, feel the call. One heart, one aim, one destiny. Together walking faithfully. Underneath the banyan tree, we gather here in harmony. With drums that beat and voices strong, Rastafari lead us on. Peace, love, justice for us all. Hear the echo, feel the call. One heart, one aim, one destiny. Together walking faithfully. In this world so confused and torn, Rasta spirit keeps us warm. From the hills to the sea, just love sets us free. Peace, love, justice for us all. Hear the echo, feel the call. One heart, one aim, one destiny. Together walking faithfully. Peace, love, justice for us all. Hear the echo, feel the call. One heart, one aim, one destiny. Together walking faithfully.
Under the banyan trees where the river flows, wisdom grows like the ancient oaks. Children dancing in the setting sun, they know the world is one for everyone. In the fields of Jah, the crops are green. Life's so simple and the mind is clean. Breath of freedom in each step we take. Every leaf a promise we don't break. Peace and love flow like the rain. Justice falls for every pain. In Zion's land we'll make our stand. With every grain of Rasta sand. Lions roar, echoes through the hills. Prophets speak of ancient hymns. To the sky, hearts full of grace. Every soul knows Jah's embrace. Rivers flow but never divide. Rasta's heart where truth resides. Unity in every breath we breathe. Love and truth will never leave. Peace and love flow like the rain. Justice falls for every pain. In Zion's land we'll make our stand. With every grain of Rasta sand. Peace and love flow like the rain. Justice falls for justice falls for every pain, every pain. In Zion's land we'll make our stand. With every leaf upon. Peace and love flow like the rain. Justice falls for every pain. In Zion's land we'll make our stand. With every grain of Rasta sand. Peace and love flow like the rain. Justice falls for every pain. In Zion's land we'll make our stand. With every grain of Rasta sand. With every grain of Rasta sand. I'll stand. With every grain of Rasta sand.
Your light shines bright in our soul. Love and justice make us whole. Rasta spirit is strong and free. Let's spread peace for you and me. justice in our hearts. Rasta culture where it starts. Lift your voice and let love ring. Feel the joy that love can bring. Drumming beats that move your feet, harmony down every street. Rasta love that never fades, shine a light through darkest shades. Peace, love, justice in our hearts. Rasta culture where it starts. Lift your voice and let love ring. Feel the joy that love can bring. Drumming beats that move your feet, harmony down every street. Rasta love that never fades, shine a light through darkest shades. Peace, love, justice in our hearts. Rasta culture where it starts. Lift your voice and let love ring. Feel the joy that love can bring. Roots run deep like ancient trees. Unity with gentle breeze. Stand for truth in what you say. Live the Rasta way today. Roots run deep like ancient trees. Unity with gentle breeze. Stand for truth in what you say. Live the Rasta way today. Peace, love, justice in our hearts. Rasta culture where it starts. Lift your voice and let love ring. Feel the joy that love can bring. In the land of mountains high, where the rivers gently sigh, we sing a song of love so pure. One heart, one soul, strong and sure. Underneath the blazing sun, where the Rastafari run, peace and justice we proclaim. In Jah's name we light the flame. One love vibration we create. No room for anger, fear or hate. Together we will stand as one until our righteous work is done. From the hills to ocean's edge, we take our stand, we make our pledge. Brothers, sisters, hand in hand, for a better world we understand. One love vibration we create. No room for anger, fear or hate. Together we will stand as one until our righteous work is done. From the hills to ocean's edge, we take our stand, we make our pledge. Brothers, sisters, hand in hand, for a better world we understand. One love vibration we create. No room for anger, fear or hate. Together we will stand as one until our righteous work is done. Feel the rhythm in your veins, wash away the worldly gaze. Spirit high and heart so free, this is our humble plea. till our righteous work is done.
We stand with peace, loving the crowd. Roots deep in the earth we sing, for the justice that the future brings. Underneath the banyan tree we sway, sunbeams lead us through another day. In the rhythm of heartbeats found, Rasta vibes lift us off the ground. Positive vibration fills the air, Rastafarian love is everywhere. Justice in our soul tonight, one heart, one aim, let's unite. Drums of freedom beat through the night. Holding hands we march for what's right. Elders guide us with stories, oh, Rasta culture rich and bold. We find our truth where we belong. Peace is rising like the morning sun. In our hearts we're forever one. Positive vibration fills the air, Rastafarian love is everywhere. Justice in our soul tonight, one heart, one aim, let's unite.